Was I in that place? Were you late for the meeting? Was he the winner of the competition? Was she at the concert last night? Was it a sunny day? Were we invited to the party? Were you happy with the results? Were they excited about the trip? Was I a good student? Were you born in this city? Was he tall when he was younger? Was she a talented singer? Was it a difficult task? Were we ready for the challenge? Were you surprised by the news? Were they playing soccer in the park? Was I the first one to arrive? Were you studying all night? Was he wearing a blue shirt? Was she working late? Was it a delicious meal? Were we at the right address? Were you on vacation last week? Was he a reliable friend? Was she a skilled dancer? Were they playing music loudly? Was I feeling tired? Were you watching a movie? Was he driving a car? Was she reading a book? Was it raining outside? Were we waiting for a long time? Were you talking on the phone? Was he wearing a hat? Was she holding a bouquet of flowers? Were they having a picnic in the park? Was I dreaming? Were you singing a song? Was he a doctor? Was she a teacher? Were we students at the same school? Were you playing a musical instrument? Was he talking to someone? Was she cooking dinner? Were they dancing together? Was I happy with the outcome? Were you satisfied with the service? Was he responsible for the mistake? Was she interested in the topic? Were we discussing the problem? Were you considering the options? Was he playing a video game? Was she writing a letter? Were they taking photographs?